Guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first vlog. I'm starting at Mumbai at Lower Malad metro station. I'm traveling to Cuff Parade through the new metro line which is being started, and it's from Marol Naka to Cuff Parade, which is called the underwater line. So currently I am at Lower Malad metro station, climbing upstairs, boarding the train to DN Nagar. And this is the first train. I have to change around 3 trains to Cuff Parade. I may get down at Fort or nearby metro station. This is Lower Malad, just opposite the In Orbit Mall. And the train has arrived, I hope. Yes, the train has arrived. So we are here at the Lower Malad metro station, boarding the train to Andheri. I have reached Andheri West metro station, and this is the queue which is there for the exit, and heading towards the Andheri West metro station to depart to Marol Naka metro station. So I'm going to change the line and board a different train to proceed to the Cuff Parade. $556 is the balance which I have, and that's a smart card, Metro smart card, which is with me of Maha Mumbai Metro. So we are going to change the metro line and board a different train to go to Marol Naka. So since I boarded from Lower Malad, I need to change 3 trains to take the Cuff Parade metro. So in this video I'm going to show you how convenient is the metro and how to escape the long traffic queues, traffic problems of Mumbai, which is often Mumbai famous for. So here I am to give you more insights on this. So I'm waiting for metro at Andheri West. I'm going to go to Marol Naka. So these are the queues, small waiting queues, and the last stop for this metro is Ghatkopar. Stay tuned to my channel. I have arrived at Marol Naka metro station, and now I am going to take the Aqua line. '7-Eleven is arriving soon at Mumbai's Marol Naka metro station, which is a renowned brand all across the globe shopping mart. So now we are here boarding the Aqua line. So this is a very affordable mode of transport. You just need to buy out a card, MMRDA card, smart card, and top up your card and use it frequently. Even if you're a very occasional traveler, you can use the metro card. Since I'm an occasional traveler, I stay in Goa, but I still have the metro card. So it's always good to have the metro card buy out a metro card in any of the railway stations, metro stations, and you can always top it up with your top up. And the problem with the Marol Naka metro station is that you need to exit the metro station and re-enter the Aqua Line. So I hope this is a temporary, and they're going to make an internal walkway or a elevator to the Aqua Line. So I'm here exiting the Marol Naka metro station and re-entering the Aqua Line to board my metro towards Cuff Parade or Fort, whichever I want to get down. So this is a bit of a problem when you are at Marol Naka metro station. So here at Marol Naka, this is the Marol Naka metro station, which is an entry, and this is the station, Aqua Line station, which I'm going to board. Very nicely made, very nicely maintained. I hope it's being maintained. All of us maintain it nicely. A little bit of civic sense is required to maintain all our infrastructure. So this is the Aqua Line, which is an underpass facility towards the part of the Bombay. It has an air conditioning and facility stores. There's a station control room. Very peaceful, very nice. And here I'm approaching the metro stations. I've done my security and going to the platforms. That's quite a bit of underground, as you can see. Nicely maintained, nicely made. So the metro line starts from RA. I'm here at Marol Naka. I've crossed the Marol Naka, and now I'm going to board this line, come down and go to Cuff Parade. So this is the metro line of Bombay. So I came from Lower Malad, I came to DN Nagar, I changed the metro here, and I came to Marol Naka. From Marol Naka, I'm boarding this Aqua Line and going to Cuff Parade. So that's how they have designed it. So this is the platform 1 going towards the Cuff Parade. I'm here at Hutatma Chowk. I have decided to get down at Hutatma Chowk. So here I am climbing up towards the Hutatma Chowk exit. I'm going to exit the metro station. It costed me 70 rupees from Marol Naka to Hutatma Chowk. The only problem with the metro line is there is no network for the Jio. As you can see, I'm having a Jio phone. There's no network for the Jio throughout the entire Aqua Line. So there's a small issue that needs to be addressed by the concerned authorities, that some internet service internet needs to be provided, or some kind of a network needs to be provided. There is Wi-Fi, is what I have heard, but I have not used it because I don't recommend to use public Wi-Fi services. I don't find it safe, so I have not used, so I cannot comment on this. So I'm here exiting the Fountain Telecom building. So this is an exit for the Bombay High Court, towards the Bombay High Court. So I'm exiting the Bombay High Court from the Hutatma Chowk metro station. So guys, here I am at Hutatma Chowk, which is also Flora Fountain. I'm here at Flora Fountain area in Bombay, exiting the Aqualine. So this is the Aqualine exit, and this is the Flora Fountain, which is also regarded as the Fort Road. So here I am at Flora Fountain area, Hutatma Chowk. So it took me nearly 1 hour and 15 minutes or 1 hour and 20 minutes from Lower Malad metro station to Andheri. Then I changed from Andheri to Marol Naka, and from Marol Naka I got down at Hutatma Chowk metro station. So here I am at Flora Fountain. So it's been a very interesting journey. Very nicely made metro services in Bombay. So very happy that the city is progressing with its metro services, and big relief for the Bombay cars in terms of traffic. And yeah, it's a very interesting journey. I'm sure everybody of us will enjoy this journey. The slight of Jio services issue in the Aqualine. I hope that will be resolved soon. But I've heard that there's public Wi-Fi available. I have not used it because I don't find it safe to use public Wi-Fi. So I don't use it. But if you're traveling, then you may use it. But I have also heard that Vodafone internet service is available, or Vodafone network is available. And it was a very interesting journey from Marol Naka to Flora Fountain. It took me around 70 rupees. I've saved around 90% of my fare, which normally costs me around 1000 rupees from Lower Malad to Flora Fountain area. It cost me 1000, and I think I've hardly spent around 120 rupees for this entire journey. So here is the Flora Fountain, and here is the Fort Road, Hutatma Chowk metro station, also regarded as. So I end this vlog. This was my attempt to show you the metro services, new metro services in Bombay. Stay tuned to my channel. See you soon.